Hey guys, how's it going? Back filming my vlog today for you. I have a wicked day planned. It's a beautiful day in the Okanagan, as you could see. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite things to do. I've got a girlfriend, Monique. She's gonna join me today on this adventure, and it's gonna be a good day. But also, I wanted to say thank you so much. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, and we only started our YouTube channel 1 month ago. We did not expect this, and we couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you so much for all your positive comments and your support, and we love to hear from you. Whenever we ask questions, please answer us, be in contact with us. We have wicked stuff coming up on the way for you guys to see, some trips coming up. Make sure to check our Instagram and follow our YouTube because we're coming to some cities, so it'd be rad to meet up with some of you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, it's gonna be a good day. Monique just arrived here at the house.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the RyFips channel.
Thanks. Excited to be here.
I'm excited to have you. She's a Lamborghini lover, which is what makes this day even more awesome. She's never seen our garage before. I told her we have an adventure planned, pack a swimsuit, but I haven't told her what we're doing. So her one job is to pick out what car she wants to take after she sees the garage.
Can't wait.
Let's show her.
Holy Is this a Lamborghini Espada? I've wanted one of these my whole life. Paige, can we please take the Espada today? It's my favorite Lambo in this whole garage.
Not even a chance. You could pick a different one though.
I guess if I have to.
Since you like the retro.
I mean, what about this one?
Let's take the Jalpa. I haven't done that in a vlog yet.
I'm super stoked to be going somewhere and doing something with you today.
I know, I'm excited for you to see this. I don't think you would have guessed ever where I'm going to take you. I just went there for my first time this summer and I had never been there before. There is animals and there's tasty treats, but that's all I'm going to tell you.
Are the animals the tasty treats?
No, they're not.
Okay. I'm excited.
Unless they were animal crackers. Anyways, where are you from? Because a lot of our viewers are from all over the world. And so I want to know, because I know that you've lived in a couple places, right?
I have, yeah. So, okay, ready? It's a really long spiel. I was actually born in Singapore. I lived in Bali, and then I lived in Holland. I went to preschool there, and then I went to Hawaii, and I grew up mostly in Hawaii, between there and California.
Okay.
And then I moved to good old Red Deer, Alberta, when I was a teenager. Yep. And then from there, I went to Fort McMurray and worked in oil and gas. Yeah. For 13 years. And then I finally moved to Kelowna in October.
That's awesome.
I know, everywhere. Some places awesome, some places not.
What's your favorite place?
Hawaii, for sure.
Yeah. Do you go back there often?
I do actually. I go back at least once a year to visit my family. Everyone's still there.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you been?
I've been to Hawaii 3 times, but we always just go to Maui. What's your favorite Lambo if you had to pick one?
I really like the Espada. I know that's your favorite too, right?
No. I swear you're just doing it to bug me now.
I can totally see you with your whole family, kids, your dogs. You could fit a lot of your dogs actually in there.
Hey, I can fit 3 in the Aventor, no problem.
I think the Huracan is my favorite.
Oh, RyFips. She picks one that you don't have.
Yeah, I didn't see one in the garage.
Maybe you should buy one. Time to buy one.
It's time to add another collection to the fam, or what?
Yeah. Maybe. We have something coming soon. We have a couple of things coming soon.
Awesome.
Yeah. We just got here. I think the e-brake is up all the way. I couldn't get it up any higher, but I don't go to the gym like Monique. I should have got her to do it for me. I brought her to a goat farm. I thought it'd be cool to come here and check it out. You get to pet the goats, I think, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I know.
I low-key love Lamborghinis, goats, and other stuff, but those are definitely up there.
Pineapples.
Oh, there they are. Pineapples. I love pineapples.
So we're walking. Oh, it smells like poop.
Goat poop.
It smells like poop. That's one thing I don't like about farms is poop. So they make gelato here. Dairy gelato.
Oh, yeah.
Hi,
Dairy
buddy.
Gelato, like from goats, yeah.
From
Milk.
cows, and then they have goat milk.
Oh, nice.
Gelato too. Yeah.
I can actually have that. That's awesome.
Yeah. So we can go inside first. They are open 7 days a week, 10 to 6. It's kind of cute. Oh, little cheese shop.
Hi. Which side is made from the goat milk? This side?
All right, guys, we got our goat milk gelato.
What kind did you get?
I got the cherry one, but it tastes more like fresh cherries, not like, I don't know how to explain it.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Do you notice a difference of like dairy ice cream and goat ice cream?
Not in the flavor so much as how I feel after I eat it, I guess. But to be fair, this is the first time I've eaten goat ice cream.
I was gonna say, do you eat it daily?
No, I don't.
Regularly?
I don't know. I know that it's better for you.
I don't like that one.
I don't really like that one either. It kind of tastes like air freshener.
That one tastes like my wooden spoon.
Maybe we got the wrong flavors.
Maybe we just aren't made to eat goat ice cream. It's kind of awkward too, like sitting beside the guys that this came out of.
Okay, he's pissing.
Oh my god! I'm trying to eat here, you guys.
Paige,
Yeah,
a minute ago,
yeah,
you said your gelato came from a guy goat.
yeah.
So how does that work?
Well, he made the milk. He's a goat.
So the male goat made milk.
All goats make milk. Why are you laughing at me?
Okay, and what about cows then?
Like dairy cows?
Yeah. Do all cows make milk?
Yeah.
Even the
Unless
bull?
not the ones that you eat for meat, but the dairy cows all make the milk.
Even the bulls?
I've never seen a bull make milk. Like, I've never seen it get milked, a bull. I would milk a bull.
And what about brown cows?
I already know that they don't make the chocolate milk. They're brown, aren't brown ones for the meat? We're on. To figure out which key is to start it, and they all say fits a Fiat. It's not a car.
A Fiat. A Fiat.
A Fiat.
A
But they all
Fiat.
say that they fit a Fiat. Not one of them says if it's a Lamborghini. Let's try black because it's standing out by itself. I can't get it. Oh my god.
That's not it.
So this is not my getaway car if I was needing to
Square red.
get anywhere in a hurry, but I got it. Okay, starting on a hill, that's cool. Okay, now I have to turn this freaking thing around with no power steering on a road. Like, I don't even have an actual spot to turn around. This is gonna take me a while. Don't curve the rims. Okay.
She's gonna work her muscles.
Oh, I can go up there maybe.
You can totally turn around there
Yeah.
and not even have to get your flex on.
Okay, well, we'll see.
Well, maybe a little bit.
Oh my god. Do you want to take me to the gym one day?
I will, totally. But I feel like this is a good workout.
Okay, well that's better than I thought I was gonna do. Oh my god.
You got it, girl. Use those pythons.
They're like mealworms.
Lake snakes.
Quick shout out to whoever invented power steering. You're a god.
You're the real MVP.
Yep. Not all heroes wear capes, you know. We are off to our next location. This is the one that I told Monique she needed to bring a bikini for today. And it's a hot day, so I am ready to cool down. Check out the interior of this car. We were just having a laugh. The buttons make no sense. This is how to turn the air, like,
AC.
volume.
Volume air.
Like, and then there's a fan button there. Then there's like the cooling button there, and then they don't even tell you what they're doing, and then you just have to look at your dash in the middle of the things, and the lights are so dim. Makes zero sense. Lamborghini, you are confusing. I was so unhappy when Ryan got this one because I didn't like it either, and I didn't drive it for a full year. We flew to Vancouver to pick it up. We get it, and he made me drive it halfway home, and I was like, I don't love it, I guess. And then I didn't drive it for a full year, and then I drove it just before the August Dream Rally, and I was like, okay, it's kind of growing on me. I don't mind it. But he thinks that that's what's going to happen with the Espada, that if he just keeps it in the garage for long enough, that I might fall in love
Feel
with
like it.
Ryan, that's never, ever, ever going to happen. Ever. We are at our second location for the day, and since Monique was from Hawaii, I figured it would be rad to bring her out surfing. I love surfing. We try to do it as often as possible when we have the time for it. It's a beautiful evening in the Okanagan, and yeah, we'll see how we do. How many face plants?
0.
I'll have all the face plants, I get it.
Hey ladies, you finally made it. You done joyriding the Jalpa?
Maybe.
Okay, fine. Let's go, guys. Let's go surfing. How are you, boo?
Got my brand new t-shirt, just had custom made, RyFips, Lambo, it's all me, right? So do you think little model Paige should have her own shirt? I do, but what do you guys think she should have? Comment below, let me know. Time for a surf!
Alright guys, thanks for watching this vlog. I had a lot of fun today, took a few face plants. I'm glad that you got to witness it. It's pretty funny. Anyways, Ryan showed me up on the surfboard.
That's what I do.
It's cold, it's nighttime, the sun's down, so we're
Almost time to say goodbye, guys.
I have something for you if you're called.
Oh snap! Monique saves the day with her new pineapple clothing brand.
Love it. Keeping me warm. I'm happy. Thank you so much, Monique.
We love it. We love your clothes.
Get in here. Get in here.
I want more.
Thanks so much for having me, guys. I had a blast. A few too many wipeouts, but yeah, check out Pineapple Apparel if you guys are interested in some rad merch.
And we'll see you next time, guys. So, Lindsay, what do we do?
Oh yeah, don't forget to tap that subscribe button.